Morning guys, hope you're all well, and with all this corona stuff I hope you're trying to keep safe and all that. I know it's hard, it's all been a bit of a funny year, well last year was. Hopefully, is that door going to stay? Right. Yeah, hopefully this year's going to be a bit better. The vaccine's now coming out, so anyway, I'm not going to talk about it that much. I just wanted to check you all well and keep safe in that. But anyway, we're going to be with the Massey today. I thought we'll take it out on the road. Obviously, I did my tractor test, and you guys haven't really seen me driving it on the road, or you haven't even really seen me driving it really. So I thought, why not? We'll take it for a spin down the block. It's not many miles. It's only take about half an hour, but I thought, why not? I haven't done a video for a while, so I do apologise for that. But that's basically been, obviously with all this corona stuff, it's been hard. Another good thing to look forward to is I have got my new drone. I've got a Mavic Air 2, so that's going to be fun to use. Hopefully I don't crash it, but I did actually get fairly good insurance from DJI. So it should be pretty good. I've checked the oil, so we could do a cold start as well. It's fairly cold today. Oh. Anyway, here she is. I need to get a new sticker because it's peeling off a bit, but she doesn't look bad. The Ford's not in here because Dad's got her. He's doing a bit of pigeon shooting. And he used the Fleming box. You guys haven't seen it, I don't think. Well, you have on my Instagram, but we've got a Fleming box now. And Dad's gone pigeon shooting, so he's used the tray and the box to put all of his gear in. So I'm here with the Massey, and I thought, why not take it for a spin? So we'll give her a cold start and see how she gets on. I've got to find the key now anyway, so that is going to be fun. Right, Henry, it would really be handy if you bring the key with you, wouldn't it? Right, so I'm now off to go to the Ford quickly walking down the road here. Because the same key is in the same key fits the Ford and the Massey. So yeah, obviously Dad's got the key and I didn't know. A lot of traffic about today actually. But here we go. Trying to get a shot actually here. And anyway, here's the Ford. We had a bit of snow the other night, so here she is. I'll quickly grab the key if it's in there. Yeah, got the key. Should be ready to go now. So not sure if you guys seen. Here is the Fleming box. It's pretty good. Ernest Doe gave me a hand with it, and Fleming did. So thank you very much to them. But anyway, I'm going to get the Massey now. And thank you to John Deere. So I was their Deere friend on their Instagram story thing. I think they call it a Deere friend. They gave me a hat which says Deere friend on it. So cheers to them. It's pretty windy, but I've got this wind muffler on, so hopefully you guys can actually hear me. Otherwise I'm just talking to myself here, but there you go. There's always a bit of fun and games. One thing I better check is some diesel in her. It's got a fairly good tank actually, to be fairly honest. I'm not sure if you guys can see. There should be enough just to go around a block in. Right, we'll start her up. One thing about this tractor is I'm fairly big, and this is fairly, well, sort of, it's not for massive people. I'm fairly massive, so I just about fit, so I'm fairly lucky in that way. So we'll put the key in and we will start her up. We'll see what she sounds like. I only started her the other day, so she should be alright. Oh, I should have put the throttle up a bit. We'll try again. So you guys might be wondering what sort of model is she? She's 1962 35X. I have got some photos of her when she was not restored, so I might put it on the video. But yeah, here she is. Purring away. Right, so we've took her for a spin. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not sure what sort of footage I got. Hopefully it's good. It's hard to sort of... I need to get myself one of them hat mounts or head mounts, or I think they're called. But yeah, I've got her back in the shed now. I'm going to fill her up with some diesel. And then another video got to come on the Ford. We've got to change the oil filter and change the oil on her as well. So I might do that in another video coming as well. And yeah, so there's a lot to look forward to this year, coming with the DJI Mavic Air 2. I think it's called that. So that's gonna be fun. I was thinking about using it with the Massey today, driving it about, but with the follow, because there's a special mode on it which allows it to follow you. But I thought it's gonna go total tits up, and it's gonna, something will happen. It'll go into a hedge or something, or a tree, and that'd be the end of it. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment if you think I should get a plough for the Massey. I'm thinking about getting her a plough, because she's got a few little gain cover strips which we could do a bit of ploughing on, and see how she copes on the plough. So I've also got the Ford's got a plough, so we could have them both in combo together, and see how they get on. But anyway, I'm not sure if it was a long video or a short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Do well.